Good morning, students. Chapter 1 and now page number 4. So, shall I start your chapter? Let's start. This is the science bits. Excessive intake of tea and coffee when the stomach is empty. It means that. What is the meaning of excessive? The meaning of excessive is जब हम किसी चीज़ को ज़्यादा मात्रा में लेते हैं, right? Excessive. So, may harm or our health. It means जब हम किसी चीज़ को अपनी बॉडी के अंदर ज़्यादा मात्रा में कंज्यूम करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी को वो हार्म पहुंचाती है. एंड थियोफाइलिन इन टी एंड कैफीन इन कॉफी एक्ट एज अ स्टिमुलेंट. एज वी नो actually what is theophylline? Theophylline is a chemicals in which found in the tea and caffeine in coffee. So what is caffeine? Caffeine is also a chemical which is found in coffee. Right? So next is turmeric has some substances that can protect us from cancer. Actually, what is turmeric? We also count turmeric in our spices. The meaning of turmeric is हल्दी. It means कि turmeric has some substances. हल्दी के अंदर कुछ चीजें पाई जाती हैं, कुछ substances पाया जाता है. That means that can protect us from cancer. जो हमें कैंसर से, कैंसर इज अ वेरी डेंजरस डिजीज, जो हमें कैंसर से बचाता है. नेक्स्ट इज शुगर बीट, अ टाइप ऑफ बीट रूट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बीट रूट? बीट रूट. एक्चुअली शुगर बीट इज अदर काइंड ऑफ बीट रूट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बीट रूट? द मीनिंग ऑफ बीट रूट, बीट रूट, उसको हम कहते हैं चुकंदर. इज ड्रोन कॉमर्शियली फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग शुगर. शुगर को ऑब्टेन करने के लिए इसको ग्रो किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज फ्रूट्स. यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फ्रूट्स. अ फ्लावर आफ्टर पॉलिनेशन कन्वर्ट्स इनटू अ स्वीट एंड फ्लैशी एडिबल स्ट्रक्चर्स कॉल्ड फ्रूट. मैंगो, banana, guava, berry, apple, watermelon, etc. are some examples of fruit. A flower after pollination. It means a flower. कोई भी फूल, flower after pollination, pollination के बाद convert हो जाता है किसमें? Sweet and fleshy edible structure. एक ऐसा structure जिसको हम आराम से खा सकते हैं. Actually, what is pollination in this line? Meaning of pollination. Pollination. Here this we can define what is the actual meaning of pollination. In this term, the pollination, it means a flower converts into the edible structure, fleshy and edible structure called fruit. मैंगो. और जो हम खा सकते हैं वो क्या है? आपके कौन से फ्रूट्स हैं? मैंगो, बनाना, गुआवा मीन्स अमरूद, बेरी, एप्पल, वाटरमेलन, etc. are some examples of fruit. These are the examples of mango, banana, guava, berry, apple, watermelon are the example of fruits. So next is here seeds. What is the meaning of seeds? We can say seeds in Hindi is beej. Wheat and rice are nothing. Wheat and rice, it means गेहूं और चावल, वो कुछ नहीं है. Seeds which we use as our main food, जिन्हें हम अपने मेन फूड में, जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसमें हम उसको इंक्लूड करते हैं, शामिल करते हैं. Oil is obtained from seeds of mustards, peanuts, neem, coconut, sunflower. As you know that these kind of things in which we obtain oil. Which type of seeds? Mustards, peanuts, neem, coconut and sunflower. It means mustard, sarson, peanuts, मूंगफली, neem, as you know what is neem? Coconut, like this, sunflower यानी कि सूरजमुखी. So yeah, next is science bits. There are some plants of which 2 or more parts are used as food. A few of them are is here, just like banana, mustard, coriander, banana, mustards, coriander, fenugreek. What is the meaning of banana? Kela. Mustard, sarso. Coriander, dhania. Fenugreek, methi. There are some plants. These are the plants of which 2 or more parts are used as foods. Just like हम banana को क्या खाते हैं? Fruit floral part. Just like in vegetables and stems. It means कि banana का कौन सा part खाया जाता है? इसका vegetable parts और stems part. Next is mustards. Mustards की leaves and seeds. We take in leaves and seeds. Next is coriander, leaves and seeds. These are the leaves and these are the seeds. Next is fenugreek. It means we can say fenugreek in Hindi is methi. It's leaves and seeds. These are the seeds. So next is activity 1.4. So make a list of any 5 food items that you like to eat and name their sources. In this activity, actually what have you done in this activity? You have to be done your food items and name their sources as well as mention the plant part from where you get them. One is done for you. It means you have mentioned in this food items and just like potato curry, the plant part from which you get them. अब हम पोटैटो करी के कौन से पार्ट्स को हम इंटेक करते हैं? लाइक पोटैटो स्टेम्स. इट मीन्स उसका स्टेम हम इंटेक करते हैं. चिलीज फ्रूट एंड ऑयल इज सीड्स. और हमें ऑयल किससे मिलता है? सीड से मिलता है. नेक्स्ट इज एक्टिविटी 1.5. व्हाट इज द एम? टू प्रिपेयर स्प्राउट्स. इट मीन्स हमें इसके स्प्राउट्स को प्रिपेयर करना है. इसके स्प्राउट्स कैसे निकलते हैं? दीज आर द स्प्राउट्स. Yeah, this is a sprouted chana. So requirements. Which things we are required? Dry seeds of moong and chana, black gram, water and cotton clothes. So in this activity, which things we are required? Like dry seeds of moong and chana, black gram, water and cotton clothes. It means कि इनमें किन किन चीजों की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो मेथड. व्हाट इज द मेथड? टेक अ हैंडफुल ऑफ ईच मूंग एंड चना इनटू सेपरेट लार्ज बाउल. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? आपको एक बाउल में ईच ऑफ मूंग दाल एंड चना दाल इनटू सेपरेट लार्ज बाउल. 2 सेपरेट बाउल्स में आपको चना और मूंग की दाल लेनी है. नेक्स्ट इज fill the bowl with water and leave them overnight. It's okay. You will fill the water, top of the water, और आपको उसे पूरी रात को भिगोने के लिए उसको छोड़ना है. Next day, drain out the water. It means आप उसके पानी को निकाल दीजिए and leave the wet seeds. और वो जो seeds हैं जो गीली हो गई हैं. What is the meaning of wet? गीला होना. राइट. जो बीज उसके गीले हैं, सीड्स गीले हैं, आप उसको ऐसे कवर देम विथ कॉटन क्लोथ्स, उसको कॉटन के क्लोथ से कवर कर दीजिए एंड ऑब्जर्व आफ्टर 18 टू 24 आवर्स। और आपको उसे 18 टू 24 आवर्स के बाद में, यानी कि 18 से 24 घंटे के बाद में आप उसको ऑब्जर्व करना है। सो व्हाट इज द ऑब्जर्वेशन? इट मीन्स व्हाट विल सी द ऑब्जर्वेशन, वी विल ऑब्जर्व a small white structure grown out of each seeds। आप क्या देखते हैं कि वो जो सीड्स है उसमें से व्हाइट कलर के, इट मीन्स जस्ट लाइक दिस, दीज आर द व्हाइट थिंग्स, दिस इज द व्हाइट स्ट्रक्चर। आप क्या देखते हैं, उसमें से व्हाइट रंग के स्ट्रक्चर की संरचना होती है जो बाहर निकलती है। These seeds have sprouted. These are called sprouted. These are the sprouted seeds. These are the sprouted seeds. So you will observe small structures grown out of each seeds. The seeds have sprouted. These are the sprouted seeds. So these sprouted seeds can be used as a food item. और इन जो these are the sprouted seeds, जो ये sprouted seeds हैं वो उसको हम अपने फूड आइटम में यूज करते हैं। इट मीन्स उसको खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं। These are rich sources of protein and fish। और उनमें सबसे ज्यादा क्या होता है? प्रोटीन होता है सबसे ज्यादा। नेक्स्ट इज चेक योर नॉलेज। दिस इज द ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। So, stem of sweet potato is as a food. Sugar is obtained from animals. Fruit is a sweet and fleshy edible structure. Tea is a beverage prepared from tea fruits. Pumpkin and broccoli flowers are eaten as vegetables. These are the true and false. Next is 1.2 animal products as food. It means which kind of animal product in which we intake as a food. So animals have been classified on the basis of the product they eat as food for human beings. It means animals have been classified on the basis of the product. Animals को उनके प्रोडक्शन के आधार पर, उनके प्रोडक्शन के ऊपर उसको डिवाइड किया गया है। They eat as food for human beings, कि वो ह्यूमन बींग्स को एनिमल्स से किस तरह के फूड मिलते हैं। So first product is, we have like milk. So milk, as you know that milk, cows and buffaloes come at the top of the list of milk yielding animals. As we know that cows and buffalo, a lot of milk we will find from cows and buffaloes. You know what is the meaning of cow? गाय और भैंसी। Just like come at the top of the list of milk animals. जैसे कि हम लोग जानते हैं कि काव और बफेलो से हमें सबसे ज्यादा मिल्क मिलता है। So goat, camel etc are also domesticated for the same purpose. इसी तरीके से goat यानी कि बकरी, कैमल से भी हमें, these are the domesticated animal, ये हमारे पालतू जानवर हैं जिनसे हमें दूध मिलता है। Buffalo milk is generally used for producing various milk products. बफेलो का जो मिल्क होता है उससे बहुत सारी चीजें बनती हैं। Just after that meat. So first is milk and second is meat. These things we get from animals. Meat of animals such as goat, chicken and fish is eaten by human beings. Meat of animals, it means animals का जो meat होता है such as goat, which animals, chicken, goat and fish is eaten by human beings. ये चीजें human beings के द्वारा खाई जाती हैं. C is eggs. Eggs is also obtained from animals. So the poultry birds, it means जो poultry जिनका हम पालन करते हैं, poultry birds provide both meat as well as eggs. उनसे हमें क्या मिलता है? Meat, also we get eggs. उनसे हमें मीट भी मिलता है और उनसे हमें एग भी मिलता है. So hen, duck, turkey, etc. are some poultry birds. These are the poultry birds. Poultry birds. Like hen, we can say hen, duck, and turtle. These are also the animals in which we get eggs. These are the poultry birds. This is also a science base. The animals which produce milks are called milk animals, and we know that which kind of animals in which we get milks. So also we known as milk animals. For example, cow, buffalo, goat. As we know that which kind of animals in which we get milk. Next is 30.44% of world cattle population lives in India. As we know that how many percentage of animals in which we get milk? 30.44% of world cattle. It means कि वर्ल्ड का 30.44% कैटल जो है वो इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं. But you will be amazed to know that they yield only about 9.5% of the total meat production in the world. और हम अमेज हैं इस चीज से कि उनका 30.44% कैटल इंडिया में पाए जाते हैं टोटल पॉपुलेशन का, बट उनसे जो दूध का प्रोडक्शन होता है, इट मीन्स दे 9.5% टोटल मीट प्रोड्यूस इन द वर्ल्ड. प्रोडक्शन how many production of milk in the world? Total production is 9.5%. So in Rajasthan the people use camel's milk. राजस्थान में जनरली जो लोग दूध मिल्क ऑब्टेन करते हैं, we can say in other word milk is obtained from Rajasthan by camel. In Rajasthan milk is obtained from camel. In hilly areas, पहाड़ी एरियाज में the people use reindeers and yak mills. In hilly areas, milk obtained from hilly areas. Which kind of animals? These are the reindeers. Whose animals? Reindeers. And yak mills. These are the also animals. So next is marine food. Actually, what is marine food? As we know that what is the meaning of marine? It means पानी में रहने वाला. So a large number of people, especially living in coastal regions, fully depend on fish as their main food sources. It means a large number of people. It means बहुत सारे लोग, large quantity में जो लोग रहते हैं, especially living in coastal regions. वो कहाँ रहते हैं? जो coastal regions में रहते हैं, जो तटीय क्षेत्र में रहते हैं, जो पानी के पास वाली जगह में रहते हैं, fully depend on the fish as their main food. वो किस पर डिपेंड होते हैं? It means coastal regions people it means we can say in other word coastal people depend on their food for which kind of animals? Fish. These peoples are depend for fish. So other animals is prawn, shrimps and crabs also add to marine foods. Other animals just like prawns. The meaning of prawns in Hindi is झींगा मछली. So shrimps and crabs. The meaning of crabs is केकड़े. These are also the marine animals. So also add to marine food. ये भी एक तरीके से क्या है आपके marine food हैं. Sources apart from a large number of fishes found in the sea and river. और ये भी fish की तरह ही बहुत सारी quantity में large quantity. These are found in the large quantity just like a fish in sea and rivers. Also. So next is different food items and their sources. So food items these are milk, egg, meat, seafood and honey. Milk, cow and buffalo. As we know that milk is obtained from cow and buffalo. So we can see cow and buffalo is the sources of milk. So next is egg. So hen. What is the sources of egg is hen. Meat, fish and goat. Just like seafood. In Hindi, seafood, we can say seafood. जो समुद्र के किनारों पे भोजन पाया जाता है. Seafood. Which kind of animals? Prawn, shrimps and crab. Honey. As we know that honey is obtained from honey bee. So the sources of honey is honey bee. Rearing and management of fish on large scale is called pisciculture. Actually, what is pisciculture? Pisciculture. In Hindi, we can say pisciculture is a मछली पालन. So we can say in Hindi. So rearing and management of fish. It means large scale is called. जो पालन पोषण होता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मछली का pisciculture. Food can be pisciculture. So food can be obtained even from insects. We can say हमारा जो भोजन है वो हम इंसेक्ट से भी लेते हैं. Like honey bee is an example of such insects. Honey bee is also an example of insects. These are the insects. It means कीड़े मकोड़े. So insect which collect nectar from the flower and converts into honey. It means honey bee क्या काम करता है? वो फ्लावर्स के पास जाकर, फूलों के पास जाकर उनका रस सक करता है और उसको किस में कन्वर्ट करता है? हनी में. These are the convert into honey. So honey is used as food. We can say honey is also a food. Honey is also a food. So used as food, as medicine and for nourishment. So we can use honey So uses of honey as uses of honey like food and medicine. It means कि हम हनी का जो यूज करते हैं वो हम फूड और मेडिसिन दोनों चीजों हम उसका यूज कर सकते हैं. So medicine and for nourishment. It is also used as an antiseptic. हम इसे एंटीसेप्टिक एक मेडिसिन के रूप में जहां पर हमारी चोट लग जाती है उसको एंटीसेप्टिक की तरह हम उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. Apiculture is a process of rearing of honeybees at a large scale. Actually, what is apiculture? The meaning of apiculture is apiculture. In Hindi, I can say the meaning of apiculture is मधुमक्खी पालन. मधुमक्खी पालन. It means जहां पर मधुमक्खी को ग्रो किया जाता है. So in a large scale, whatever we eat comes either from the plants or from the animals. So next is food habits of animals. As we know that what is the food habit of animals, but in this chapter we also thoroughly study food habits of animals. So plants and animals have different ways of getting food. As we know that कि plants और animals different तरीके से वो क्या लेते हैं, भोजन लेते हैं. So animals cannot produce their own food. As we know that animals cannot make their own food. Animals अपना food खुद नहीं बना सकते. So they directly or indirectly depend on plants for their food. It means कि वो डायरेक्ट तरीके से और डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली वो किस पर डिपेंड रहते हैं, इस पर डिपेंड रहते हैं, वो डिपेंड ऑन देयर फूड. ग्रीन प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर और प्रोड्यूस their own food with the help of air. It means जो ग्रीन प्लांट्स होते हैं, हरे प्लांट्स जो होते हैं वो प्रिपेयर करते हैं, प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. इट मीन्स द प्रोडक्शन बाय द फूड ग्रीन प्लांट्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ एयर. किसकी हेल्प से वो अपना भोजन बनाते हैं? एयर, वाटर, क्लोरोफिल एंड सनलाइट. सो वी कैन से ग्रीन प्लांट्स प्रिपेयर देयर ओन फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ वाटर, सनलाइट, क्लोरोफिल एंड सनलाइट. सूर्य के प्रकाश से एयर से और वाटर से. सो दे आर नोन एज प्रोड्यूसर. तो वी कैन से द ग्रीन प्लांट्स आर आल्सो द प्रोड्यूसर क्योंकि वो अपना खाना प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओके. सो which kind of plants producers? Producers are the green plants. So we can say green plants are the producers. Green plant. Animals depend on plants for their food. As we know that animals also depend for their food, plants for their food. Animals food के लिए plants पर depend होते हैं. So therefore they are called consumers. So we can say who is the consumers? So consumers. So we can say green plant is the producers and animals are the consumers. If you observe carefully, you will notice that different animals have different feeding habits. Of course, just like cow, horse, dog are the different animals. So obviously, they have the feeding habit is also a different kind of feeding habits. इट मीन्स कि उनका खाना खाने का जो तरीका होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है. So they eat different kind of foods. So different kind of foods in which we take. Their body parts are adapted to the kind of food they eat. Of course, उनके जो बॉडी पार्ट होता है वो डिफरेंट टाइप के खाने को कंज्यूम करने के लिए डिफरेंट होता है. जस्ट लाइक डॉग हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स, कैट हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बॉडी पार्ट्स. सो next is, based on their feeding habits, animals are divided into three groups. So in this here, animals also divided into we can say based on feeding habit, divided into three parts. What is the parts is? First is herbivores. Actually, what is herbivores? So plant eating animals are called herbivores. In the meaning of herbivores is that whose animals eating plants are called herbivores. वो एनिमल्स जो प्लांट्स को खाते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? हर्बीवोर्स. इन हिंदी वी कैन से हर्बीवोर्स इन हिंदी इज शाकाहारी. Which kind of animals? Buffalo, cow, goat, deer and horse are the some herbivores. So the example of herbivores is buffalo, cow and horse. They have sharp cutting teeth in front and flat grinding teeth in the back. It means उनको काटने के लिए, खाने को चबाने के लिए उनके अंदर शार्प टीथ होते हैं. It means which kind of teeth? They have which kind of teeth? Which kind of teeth? It means they have a sharp teeth. In which they cut their food sharply in front. It means आगे की तरफ. And flat grinding teeth at the back. और उनकी बैक साइड में, इट मीन्स माउथ की बैक साइड में जो टीथ होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? बैक साइड. टीथ फ्लैट. ओके. Actually, herbivorous is divided into two parts. Herbivores. So these are divided into herbi plus vore. So what is the meaning of herbi? Is plant. And what is the meaning of vore? Is eater. The world's largest herbivore is the African elephant. So we can say the largest herbivore is elephant. Yeah. is the D. It's a carnivores. So the animals who eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Actually, we can divide carnivores into two terms, carnivores. So first is carni, C-A-R-N-I, carni plus vor. The meaning of carni is meat, and vor is the meaning of vor is eating, eater. It means the animals who eat the flesh of other animals. वो animals जो दूसरे animals का flesh, it means मांस खाते हैं, are called carnivores. Just like the example of carnivores is example of carnivores is, what is the example? Lion, tiger, wolf, snake, eagle and vulture. It means lion. First example is lion. Second is the example of carnivores. First is lion and the tiger and wolf, भेड़िया. Snake, सांप, eagle, and sixth is vulture. Gate, right? They have sharp canines for tearing flesh. In herbivores, we can already read which kind of teeth they have. They have the flesh. They have the very strong teeth. In carnivores, sharp pointed beaks for tearing flesh. It means उनकी जो beaks होती है, it means उनकी जो चोंच होती है. The meaning of beaks is चोंच. We can define beaks in चोंच. कैसी होती है? शार्प, जिससे वो क्या करते हैं? अपने मांस को फाड़ देते हैं उसको खाने के लिए. Which kind of animals? Just like eagles and vulture. The meaning of eagles is and vulture. Cheel or git. C is omnivorous. Omnivorous. So firstly we define what is omnivorous. So first of all we divide omnivorous into two parts. Just like want to know what is omnivores. Omnivores. We divide it into two parts. Omnivores, first is omni and second is vores. The meaning of omni is all. Here is the mention, the meaning of omni is all, and the meaning of vor is eater. The plants which eat both plants and animals. So I can say the omnivorous animals, whose animals they eat both plants and animals. जो plants को और animals को दोनों को खाते हैं. They eat the both kind of animals are called omnivorous. Plant and animals. जो plants को भी खाते हैं, पेड़ पौधों को भी खाते हैं और animals को भी खाते हैं. The example of omnivores is omnivores. first is cockroach. These are the examples of omnivores. Human beings also example of omnivores. Crow, bear, bhalu, cockroach. Cow. And third is bear, also example of omnivores. Human beings, cow, dog, etc. are omnivores animals. So omni, the meaning of omni is all and vor are eater. As I defined the meaning of omnivores. Since omnivores eat both plants and animals, as we know, हम जानते हैं कि omnivores plants और animals दोनों को खाते हैं. It means they eat both plants and animals. Their teeth are modified accordingly. It means उनके जो teeth होते हैं. So I just talking about which kind of teeth they have. Teeth. Modified teeth. Modified. It means कि वो अपने दांतों को उसी हिसाब से मॉडिफाइड कर लेते हैं जिस हिसाब से उनको खाना होता है. मॉडिफाइड टीथ. So they have 4 kind of teeth. How many kinds of type of teeth? 4 different kinds of teeth. 4 different kind of teeth. These are the omnivorous animals. It's bears, it's birds, it's human beings. So crow. First is incisor. Incisors, premolars, molars and canine. Type of teeth. Four type of teeth. First is
10 o'clock में class है. Exactly 10.
Thank you. मेरी वीडियो बन